Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Moto G200, and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So we got two ways how we can do that. The first one is just press and hold for a while your screen, and here you'll see the wallpaper section. Just go there, and now you can just choose the wallpaper from your device wallpapers, for example, and that's the folders with your default wallpapers, and also you can choose the image from your photos. So we got here the interactive wallpapers. For example, we'll go in with the default ones. Just here, for example, press to the cityscapes folder, and we can choose one from these wallpapers. For example, we'll go in this one, and we want to change our lock screen, so tap there, and also we can just select the section where we can just set, and now just tap here to OK, and again tap to the lock screen, and we got here the message that our wallpaper set successfully. So yes, can you see we got here really the new wallpaper. Change it on our lock screen. And the second way is just go to the settings, and here go to the wallpaper display section. Here tap to the advanced section and go to the wallpapers, and as can you see here also we got the our folder from our folders, the live wallpapers and wallpaper default ones. For example, now we'll go with the live wallpaper, no live wallpapers. Okay, so we'll go with this one, and for example by the same way we'll just select the maybe this one, this photo, and just tap here OK, and we want to change our lock screen. And now we'll check that yes, can you see we just successfully changed our lock screen wallpaper. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.